All right, y'all. So a little update on the old short bed. So it's back on the lift right now. I, before I forget, I don't know if I remember if I recorded this, but I put the nitro drop twos on the truck. So we got new shocks in the back end. So now it's a little more raked these days with it actually having functioning shocks in the back. But motor's getting a little bit of like a titillation going on. So we're about to get all the oil out of it, drain the oil. We're gonna check the oil, see how it's looking. And then I went ahead and got me a new oil filter, and yeah, this is what we're gonna put in it. So focus. So this is diesel oil, and it's got a lot more like zinc and minerals and stuff in it. It's a lot better for these older engines. So we're gonna throw all that in there. I got plenty of it, so should be good. We got 2.5 gallon. All right, so well, I guess 2 3/4 gallon. But anyway, so we're gonna do an oil change on this thing and just see what happens. See if it makes that ticking maybe go away. You know, because obviously y'all know this is not the motor that's staying in this. So hopefully we ain't gotta worry about it, and you know this motor will get us by until the big block's done. But if it don't, it don't. Oh well, and then we'll just go from there and we'll figure out something else. So all right, I'm gonna get this truck the rest of the way up, and then we're gonna start draining the oil, and then I'll show y'all what the oil's looking like. But so we definitely have like a rear main seal leak, something like that, which we knew about, but we just kind of ignored it because, you know, I don't really give a shit about this motor, to be completely honest. There we go. That is still decently clean. I'm not seeing much sparkle. There's a little bit of sparkle, but I kind of expected that. We're gonna let this drain, and then I'm gonna rip this oil filter off, and then, which I did let the truck run for a little bit before, so let it warm up. And I mean, we still got really good oil pressure on the motor. I mean, we're still getting, I think, we get a little over like 30 idling, which is actually very good. But that don't mean anything either. So take these oil filter pliers. Aha. I can even use these. Might not be able to, maybe. Yeah, we probably. Oh my god. Oh. Guys, this is why they say hand tight. I haven't put an oil change on this thing since I got it. Oil looked all right, so I threw the motor in and just got it running. So, yeah. Whoever put the oil filter and shit on this, obviously, oh. This might have to get the old screwdriver, I don't know. Hopefully fucking not. Oh my god. These oil filter pliers, guys, these aren't the greatest things in the planet, but that's all I got. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, we're gonna have to use a screwdriver. Damn it. Little update. Whoever tightened this oil filter on this motor, may you burn in hell. Because I am cut up. I've stabbed 3 holes through this fucking thing, and still, I've maybe gotten a half an inch of a turn out of it. So yeah, so I'm gonna keep working on it whenever I get it off finally, hopefully, if I even ever fucking do. I'll let y'all know. Alright, so this is what is left of this filter. We're about 2 hours later, and it's falling out. If you can see, yeah, the filter just kind of destroyed itself. Cut my damn hand open. Yeah, I mean, it's been a pretty rough time. But someone over torqued the hell out of it, and it took almost everything I had to get it off. It took forever. Ended up having to like chisel it from this side because it would be up like that, and had to chisel it loose. So, but yeah, so now I just put five and like a quarter of a quart, I guess, in the truck. So now we're just letting it settle, and then once it settles, because this stuff's pretty thick, so I want to give it a little bit of time to settle good before I read it, and then we'll check and see about our level, and then I guess it'll be ready to start. So, all right, y'all. So this is also your reminder. Make sure y'all don't over tighten your damn oil filters, because then you gotta deal with that. Whoever done the last oil change on this motor before I got it must have put about 5,000 foot-pounds of torque on the son of a. Anyway, see what does. Whoever done the last oil change on that motor must have just cranked it down, I guess, because Jesus Christ, it's the toughest one I've ever had to deal with, and I do not want to do it again. Yeah, hand tight, quarter turn. That's it. Hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one. So.